Hello viewers, I'm Rohit Khurana from Intellect Digest. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick review of the much awaited Samsung Galaxy S4. Yes, we have it finally in our hands. It has been launched in India at Rs 41,500, which is not a bad price. First thing which really impresses us is the sleekness of this device. You can compare the form factor with the Galaxy Note 2 over here. You can see it is considerably slimmer, and we have the Samsung Galaxy Grand over here. The display size is 5 inches on both the devices, but as you can see, the exterior dimensions of the Samsung Galaxy S4 are considerably smaller than that of the Samsung Galaxy Grand. Now let me quickly show you around the hardware, and then we'll talk about the features and the specifications. So on the front you have a 5-inch full high definition display with a pixel per inch density of 441. That is the same as you find on many other brands of phones like HTC One. So on the side you have a metallic bezel all around. This is not very highly chrome in finish. This is silver with slightly matte finish. There is power button finished in metal. On the other side you have a large volume rocker. On the top you have a mic for noise cancellation, the standard 3.5mm audio jack. There is an infrared blaster over here on the top, which can be used to make it work as an infrared remote for devices like air conditioner, TVs, multimedia systems, etc. There is the primary mic down here, the micro USB slot for charging as well as data transfer. Physical home button. You have menu and back keys over here, which are touch keys. On the rear you have a 13 megapixel camera with autofocus and flash, and the front camera is 2 megapixel for high definition video conferencing. Both the cameras front and rear are capable of recording high definition videos at 30 frames per second. One of the interesting feature is the dual shot, in which you can shoot picture of yourself as well as the person in front of you together. So let me just give you a quick demo. So I am focusing on the person in front of me and I am looking at the front camera. When I click the picture, I get both the picture of myself as well as the other person in the camera. So this is how it works. It is very interesting, and there are many other features. We'll give you a detailed review very soon. Talking about the specification, it is powered by 2 quad-core processor, although they call it an octa-core, but there are 2 quad-core processor, 1.6 GHz and 1.2 GHz. It has 2 GB of RAM, full high-definition display, 16 GB internal memory. The thickness is just 7.8 millimeters. The weight is around 130 grams. It is very sleek and compact to hold in one hand. It supports 3G as well as HSDPA. It has Bluetooth 4.0. In terms of feature, it comes loaded with many innovative features. We'll give you a detailed review very soon. If you like our video, please press the like button below. For more such videos, please press the subscribe button below. This is Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.